In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign on Klaviyo. Whether you're promoting a new product or wanting to keep in touch with your audience, learning to create an effective email campaign is crucial for maintaining engagement and boosting sales. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your browser and go to Klaviyo's website. You can do this by typing in www.klaviyo.com. If you already have a Klaviyo account, click on the login button. You'll then be prompted to enter your login details, your email and password to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface, which includes a navigation panel on the left. Look for the campaigns option in that left panel and click on it. This is where you can manage any campaigns you've previously set up and of course create new ones. Click on the create campaign button to initiate the process for a new marketing email you'd like to send out. Next, you'll need to decide who you want to send this campaign to. Klaviyo allows you to choose between lists or segments. For example, you might choose your entire newsletter list if you've got general updates, or a segment specifically for high value customers if your message is more targeted. Selecting the right audience is crucial as it ensures that your message reaches the right people effectively. After choosing your audience, it's time to move on to the campaign details. Here, you will enter a campaign name. This is mainly for your organizational purposes, helping you identify the campaign in the future quickly. Then, craft a compelling subject line for your email. Don't forget to set the sender's name and email address, as this is part of what recipients will see when they receive your email, and it can greatly influence whether they decide to open it. With your audience and details set, you now have the choice of choosing a template. Klaviyo offers an array of pre-designed email templates that you can modify to suit your brand style and message, or if you prefer, you can start from scratch with a blank template. Once you've selected your template, it's time to get creative and edit. Customize the text, images and buttons to make sure everything aligns with what you want to convey to your audience. Be thoughtful with your design as it reflects your brand's tone and professionalism. Before going live, it's vital to test your email. Make use of the preview feature to see how the email will appear in different inboxes. To ensure everything looks perfect, you can send test emails to yourself or to colleagues. Finally, once you're content with how your email looks and functions, you're ready to send it out. You have the option to send it immediately or schedule it to go out at a specific time that makes sense for your audience. Once you've made your decision, click Send Campaign and watch Klaviyo do its magic. And there you have it. Your email campaign is on its way to reaching your audience effectively. This is just a glimpse into the powerful features Klaviyo provides for email marketing. Keep practicing and soon you'll master the art of engaging and impactful email campaigns.